Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Wow. Yeah, check this out, guys. So I just came in along the ridge on Blackcomb. It's called Chainsaw Ridge. There's lots of entrances to drop in on, but I could see from the chairlift today that there's a massive cornice that they blew up, and it caused a huge avalanche. Blew up here, rolled down, and settled in down there, so that'll be pretty cool to come and check it out. I don't know if you guys could see up top, but there was like black areas of the snow, and that's, you know, where they set off some explosives to blow up this cornice, and it must have been a big like overhang. That's why they blew it up, to set it off. If they set it off, then somebody won't accidentally set it off as they ride. Let's check out more of this. Whew, wonder if there's any good snow down here. So we're just in the path right now of where the avalanche came out. And you can see how it's like really like scoured the side of the mountain, just took all the fresh snow off and just left behind firm like underneath frozen snow. It's also crazy windy today, so you got all this crazy wind flying off the top. So check out this chunk here. I think this is probably the biggest one. Wow. So this thing is like solid as a rock, and it would have been sitting up there somewhere earlier. So it's just like a minefield of massive snow chunks down here. Let's get out of here. Couple nice turns coming up. The debris field has reached like way down here. Lots of chunks flying off that cornice. Oh yeah. Alright, so here's the top of Blackcomb, and then Chainsaw Ridge is all this ridge along there. And they blew up that cornice, came flying down, all the way down into that area. Pretty wild. Hey, what's up, Graham?
Oh, Kevin.
Hey, how you doing?